Hello guys! Nandito tayo uli sa another review. Hindi pala tayo mag-review. We're going to cook. Joke lang. Okay, we're going to review a very, very cheapy pie watch in Lazada. It's automatic watch worth 155 pesos only. We're going to open it because selyado siya. Titignan natin kung worth it yung watch. Okay. Going to open it. I'm going to cook nilaga pala for the lunch. Oops. Sorry for that. Here is the watch. Bubble wrap. Oh, looks good. It looks good like that. It's worth 155 pesos only for automatic watch. Can you imagine that? It's only $3. And it's made from China. I think it's not stainless. It's only chrome. Chrome is stainless. Okay, I think it's very worth it for 155 pesos. Look at that. It's automatic. If you're going to see the seconds, if that second is moving like that, probably it's automatic watch like that. And see you for the next review. I'm going to cook beef nilaga. Nasa ref pa yung beef. Okay, thank you guys for watching. See you to another review. Thanks guys.